So a lot of you are in the comments asking me exactly how I get these videos, and I'm gonna give you just that. So for years, I've been trying to find the perfect POV driving setup. It's my probably most viewed content, and I've been trying to master it forever. I've tried GoPro in the mouth with a mouthpiece. I've tried GoPros on suction cups. I've tried DSLRs on suction cups. I've tried the Meta glasses, and nothing quite works. Until we found this DJI Osmo Nano. I'm filming on the little camera part right now, and this is the screen part. I love how they come apart. This stores the SD card and a lot of the battery, and it doubles the battery life. And you can see that I get some really good quality shots with this thing. But the most important part about this camera is that it integrates perfectly with the DJI mics. And believe it or not, I'm only using a set of $80 mics. Now, the final piece that really tied this setup together, I got to shout out to Reyes GTE. He made the guide for the settings and the small rig arm that suctions to my sunroof that really gives you that stable vision. So all that said and done, let me show you exactly what you need to get. I have a link in my bio that says perfect POV film setup that will take you to my Amazon store and give you exactly every single thing that I'm gonna show you right here, right now. And I'm gonna show you exactly where to position the mics and all that so you get this good sound. It took me a few tries to get it right, so why don't you just replicate exactly what I've done here and do it yourself. Let me show you. Most importantly, the film angle. So what I'm working with here is a small rig 11-inch arm connected to a ghost mount suction mount. The ghost mount suction mount is the only thing that you won't find on the Amazon link because I already had it. So what you're gonna do is basically find a suction mount, and then you're gonna be able to connect it. This is one of the adapters I have on the Amazon link, which connects to this small rig mount, which connects to GoPro adapter, connecting to the easy mount POV mount for DJI. Super easy, magnetic, and is jumped in and it's done like that. That is how I do it. And the best part is when I'm driving, it's not even really in my way. I can move my head when I do it, and it's super easy to loosen, move, and then tighten so that it's out of my way for regular driving if I don't need it at that time. I leave it just sitting up here at all times. So now let me show you about the mics. I am using the DJI mic minis. This goes in the charging case, goes right in. Let me show you exactly where you need to position them. Also, if you need to use it with a DSLR, go ahead and set this on your shoe with your DSLR, and you can do it that way. I use these for all of my filming. They make things completely simple. Comes with this nice little bag. Let me show you how you set up those mics. First mic I set up is right underneath for the intake. I try to set it right here so it's out of the way of exact direct airflow. The intake is actually blocking a lot of the direct airflow towards it, so all we really hear are cool T51R noises. That doesn't overwhelm the setup. So now that that's there, let me show you what it looks like in the back for the exhaust setup. All you do is set that up right there, and that gets you the perfect exhaust sound. The thing that you're going to need is a set of ND filters. I'm actually filming on the ND8 right now. I'm using the Ray Gear ND filters. These are great. Basically, it gets rid of all the extra exposure coming through the windshield so you can actually see where you're going and it's not just blown out. If you guys want to know my preset settings in order to get this, we're setting up in log, but I can give you all of that in a different video. Let me know. And then later on, all you do is export it, add some saturation, and however you want to colorize it the way you want. All that comes together to give you the absolute perfect point of view driving setup for both vertical and horizontal. I'm going to start filming all of my YouTube videos like this. So if you guys aren't, follow now and we'll get more of this every week. See ya.